Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the chat audio through your TV speaker. So I have this headset plugged into my PlayStation 4, but I still want the chat to come through my TV as well as the game sound. How would I go ahead and do that? So I want to go up to settings right here and select this, and then go on down to devices. Then go to where it says audio devices right here, and you want to go to output device right here. And you want to switch it to TV or amplified. Now, on the top, your input device will actually be your headset connected to the controller. This will be your microphone on it, and then the output will be coming through your TV. So you'll still be able to talk to people with your microphone, and you'll hear them through your TV now. Now if you go to this right here, it says switch output automatically. As soon as you plug in your headset, it will automatically switch over the output device to the new headset. So just be warned, you might want to uncheck mark this if you like it set up where the sound is coming through your TV. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.